Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by identifying exactly what you have and where you'll paste it. If you already copied a plain URL, keep it in the clipboard. If not, copy it now. Once you've chosen the platform, email, Word, Google Docs, Excel, or HTML, highlight the display text you want to become clickable or place the cursor where the hyperlink should appear. Make sure the URL includes the scheme, http// or https// so platforms recognize it automatically. Now you insert the link using the apps link command. Press Ctrl+K or choose Insert Link. When the dialog appears, paste the URL into the address field and check the display text to ensure it reads well. Once done, set options like opening in a new tab or adding a title attribute when available. These improve usability and accessibility. Make sure the link uses the correct scheme and that there are no trailing spaces or invisible characters that break it. Finish by testing the hyperlink exactly as a user would. Click it or preview the document to confirm the destination loads. If it fails, recopy the source URL, remove trailing spaces, and correct any typo or missing scheme. For HTML, wrap the URL in an anchor tag and verify proper escaping. A href equals https://example. Com link text /a. If links still break, check for copy-paste artifacts, restrictive browser extensions, or platform-specific sanitization.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.